How to download Google Maps for offline. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download offline maps in Google Maps. If this guide ends up being a lifesaver for you, please consider subscribing and dropping a like on the video. If you have any more questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. There are plenty of reasons you might need an offline map. Maybe you're traveling to a remote area with zero signal, or you're trying to save on data while navigating a new city. Whatever the case, having these maps saved directly to your phone is a total game changer. To get started, open Google Maps and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Offline Maps. So you're going to have to scroll down until you find Offline Maps, and then you're going to give that a tap. From here, you're going to select your own map at the bottom of the screen. Now you can move the map around and pinch to zoom in or out to frame the exact area you want to save. One thing to keep an eye on is your storage space. The larger the area you select, the more megabytes it will take up on your device. For instance, a whole region might be 500 MB, but if you zoomed into a specific city, it might drop down to just 30 MB. Once you've framed your area, you're going to hit on Download button in the bottom right. While the download is running, you're going to click on Download Now to get it started. While the download is running, you can actually tap the pencil icon at the top right to give your map a custom name like Summer Hike or City Trip instead of just Map 1. You can now tap the three dots next to your saved map to update it for new round layouts, rename it, and delete it if you need to free up space later. Now, even if you've completely off the grid with no internet connection, you can still navigate this area with ease. And that's it. You have now downloaded Google Maps offline. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.